I have a automatic SL0039 AC FP. So it's an AC motor with foot pedal. Got that going in today. Right now I'm doing all the prep work to get the receiver ready and everything. While I'm doing that, I'm making sure that I've got my area clean and ready to go. This helps me get the operator level and mounted properly, so we got the area clean. Alright, still working. And as a general principle, I want to clean the track off. We don't want any small stones or anything like that on the track, especially when we're first starting this out. Want to get a clean slate.